All the mistresses naman, they always compete. But my advice to the women of leisure o yung mga mistresses ay huwag kayo magko-compete. Pag alam nyo na yung status nyo, you should know your boundaries. Dapat alamin nyo kung nasaan kayo, anong inyong katayuan, at huwag kayong makikipag-compete. Kasi the moment makipag-compete kayo, you will act like the wife na iniwanan nung inyong ka-boyfriendan. And by the time you start acting like a wife, dadating na ang third wife, ang fourth wife, ang fifth wife. Because kung ano yung inayawan ng lalaki, iwasan nyo yan dahil yun yung inayawan niya. Enjoyin nyo na lang yung mga panahon na magkakasama kayo. Dahil sabi nga natin, in this world, nothing is permanent. Kahit ang buhay natin ay wala namang kasiguruhan. When we are given the chance to live in this world, we should be enjoying it, we should be happy, we should be crazy, do everything that will please us. Because all of us will go. And when we go, tapos na yun. Nobody would even care. Sikat ka ngayon, popular ka ngayon, ikaw ang favorite of the month. Dadating yung oras, makakatagpo ng favorite of the month na naman. Ganun lang talaga ang buhay. Kumbaga, pinasok niyan, dapat alam nyo din kung hanggang saan lang din ang katapusan.